Hello? Hello? Hey, can you hear me now? Hello, here we are in my parents' garage. It's the day before my sister's wedding, and we have been tasked with making some signs. So Esther's back there, hard at work on the first sign, and so far
I messed it up.
it hasn't been going great. Luckily though, we have 8 more attempts.
What happened?
Oh, here, I'm just piling things in here. We got all our signs, got our stuff mapped out. I'm trying to cover all the bases. So I have a mallet, which might work, and then if not, I have a spike to make a hole. That spike really needs to go down. I have this. And hoping for the best. It's snowing out, so.
We're just going out to the forest so he can kill me with that sledgehammer. Right? Savage. It just keeps getting whiter and whiter.
I'm gonna stop one.
Blasting.
One down, 7 more to go.
It's not doing anything.
We're almost done.
Are we?
One more.